Alright, we got CHARIZARD UPC. Let's go. Let's see. It was a while since I opened the UPC, so bear with me. Alright, so we got a shit ton of packs. Let's see. Yeah, nice box. Got the play mat. Let's go. We got some sleeves. We got some packs. Alright. Then we got our packs. And a nice little coin there. Fusion Strike, Fusion Strike, Fusion Strike. Evolvement guys. Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze. Alright. And then we got the promos. We got Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, Billion Stars. So, nice selection right there. Let's check out our promos. Yeah. Of course, a little bit off center, but what can you do? Yep. But hopefully the other promos are good. Looks good in back. So we're gonna go. Let's go from back. So or from the least, my least favorite. Let's see. I think Bonus guys, let's say for last. Then we got Vivid Voltage and Darkness Blaze. Yeah, we can start out with Vivid Voltage. Then we go. Where's the Astral? The hell? What am I doing? Yeah, let's go. Darkness Blaze. I'm just actually gonna save it because not unable to leave it there. Can we get the Pikachu Rainbow? Probably not. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got Crocodile Rare. So nothing spectacular there. Let's go to Astral Radiance. I actually have pulled an alternate art here. So let's get one more. Code card. Now let's go. But right now, not that many packs to get something in, but who knows? All right, we got Ray guys, what was our don't open packs when you're tired. And then we got our uniform. Let's see. So it's a good code card, but is it something? No, it's Verdier. So nothing from Astro. Shame. And then we got Brilliance. Maybe we can get something good. I think I see something, but you never know. But think we have something, but what is it? Is there? Ooh! Yeah, we got a trainer card. Yeah, Rapid Strike, Urshifu. Nice. First good hit out of this Charizard box. So nice. Let's open up. Leaves. I was like, is this battle styles? But nope. And let's open up another one. So nice. We got something, but we need something big to even this up. And is that going to happen here? No. The leopard just chilling there. And we got the Shaman. Oh. Need something good from Brilliant here, so we can go Brilliant. But white cold card, so shit. Alchemy rare. Yeah. All right. Then we got, oh, let's go Fusion. Can we get something big? How about a VMAX? And this pack is just falling apart, but it's a white cold card, so probably a Cook and Kangaskhan, so nothing big there. Here we got the Mew. Damn, this pack just don't want to stick together, but who knows? Good code card. Do we have something? We got Deoxys Hollow. Not the best. And we got Fusion Strike. How to destroy $100. Quickly open up this crappy box and get fisted. Yep. So nothing from Fusion. Lost Origin. Really need the Aerodactyl, so if we can pull it here. But it is a bust. Yeah, I saw the white code card, so shit. Bruh. What are we at? We have one hit in 1,000 packs. Here we go. We got Wild Plume Hollow and Radiant Steelix. So second hit of the video, and we are only at Evolving Skies left. This is make it or break it. We got Rayquaza. One of the Rayquaza cards for evolution. But where are we at? We have a code card at least. Then we got something here. Something just chilling. But it is a Volcarona. God damn it, shit, man. Oh, I forgot about that shit. And here, what do we have? When you have a hit, it is always something not you want. So yeah, Galarian Moltres. If I was smart, I will save this pack, but who knows? Is there anything? Probably we got a good code card, so I don't know. Let's go do the pack trick. Why not? But we have yeah, Carvana and Ente Hollow. So the value so far is not that good. We had 3 hits, Raptor Strike, Euroshifu. I think it's worth more than like $5 to $10. So, but of course, we have the promos. I don't know. Let's check the promos. The last thing to do. Is there good centering or are they just a bust? So let's see. Charizard V. It's decent. VMAX. It is not a 10. And Charizard V-Star is not the 10. So yeah, I really wanted some good centering, but you never get it. But at least we got some alt art action. Alright, subscribe, like and comment. Bye.